Hey, what's going on everybody? Pharir here. We are back in Satisfactory and we're going to hook up more machineries to our system. Let's find more copper ore. Here we go, found some copper.
Potential edible collected. Eating it and surviving does not count as a valid field test and does not generate enough data for Fixit to make an informed decision. Store this potential resource for later use.
We found something new, interesting. We got a power slug here. Don't mind if I do. And down here we got the copper. Let's get this cleared. Oh hey, they're interesting. Rush hawks. Get rid of you as well. Put some miners on and start crafting. Here we go. Some smelters. Into some constructors. So we can automate wire and cables completely. And we need a second constructor to make cables. So we can make wire here and cables here and bring this back home. Let's start by bringing some energy over as well. And here we go, it's connected to the grid. And here we go, we're connected to the first one, so we have automated cables now as well. Here coming our first cables along. And we got a new achievement, Spaghetti Master. Interesting. Don't think I make that much spaghetti, but oh well. Okay, my man, you are in the way. Oh, here we go, I think we killed it. Did it drop anything? We bounce on a space giraffe tick penguin. Oh, this is a space giraffe apparently. And it works as a trampoline. And we got another power slug here. Don't mind if I do. And we have wired up the wire 2 as well, so we're getting everything automated now. The next thing which we want to do is to finish the tier 1 to unlock tier 3 to see what's coming up. So let's focus on the field research. We even get a personal storage, so we can empty our inventory. We need 300 wires, 300 screws and 100 blades, which shouldn't be too bad with our automation. And here we go, we got everything, so let's put it in and press the button.
Milestone reached. Supply the molecular analysis machine, referred to as the MAM, with local resources to research and develop new technologies. Potential technologies include exploration tools, weapons, and factory buildings. These are essential for maximizing your Pioneer efficiency and alignment with Fixit's core pillars: construct, automate, explore, and exploit. To advance Fixit's mission, all notable phenomena, resources, technology, or other influence should be investigated regardless of any perceived danger, as stated in the Pioneer contract.
Okay, we should explore at some point as well. It did not unlock phase 3. The next thing is part assembly. So we can get this out of the way to get new assembler and new parts. Before we're going to focus on this, we're going to hook up one more miner, since we need more screws, so get this out of the way. Here we go. And make a screw factory here. Miner into smelter rotor into the constructor. There should be everything to make screws. No, we need one more constructor since we need rods. Get a conveyor merger in here so we can get more plates in. And we gotta connect it to the merger. And here our first iron plates are coming. Let's get our screws also hooked up. Let's get a second constructor going and put in the nails. Here we go. And bring this home. Let's see if we can get a converter in here. Can place one down, so good enough. Here we go. Now we need to connect them. Guess this is going to work. And now we are getting more screws and plates. Lovely. And for our part assembly, we are going to need 200 cables, 200 iron rods, 500 screws, and 300 iron plates. And here we go. We got everything. So let's put it in. 200 wires, 200 rods, 500 screws, and 300 plates. And time for pressing the button.
Milestone reached. The assembler can produce more complex parts, including the first project part, smart plating, which is crucial for initiating project assembly. Project parts must be delivered to the space elevator. By completing your contracted duties as part of project assembly, you will definitely be helping achieve Fix-It company goals without any other ulterior motive. Note: humans cannot craft project parts. Do not worry about your inadequate crafting skill when compared to an assembler. Fix-It cherishes your innate human abilities, such as walking, striking objects, and commodifying natural resources.
Let's see what we need for the assembler. We need 8 advanced chips, 4 rotors, and a lot of cable. Guess we can make rotors ourselves. Yeah, we can make modular frames now, copper sheets, and rotors. What do we need for rotors? Rods and screws. Time to make some rotors for us. Here we go. Let's build one. See what it can do. It says 2 inputs and 1 output. Interesting. It can make smart plating, reinforced iron plate, which we need, modular frames and rotors. Interesting. So we need like 4 of them. We made ourselves a secondary floor up here over our power grid. So let's see how we can do this. Get our assembler here in line so we can feed it with some plates, and we need screws for advanced plates, and we need some energy up here. Wire this up, and this should produce now reinforced plates for us. Let's put a storage behind it so it can fit in. Another thing which we can do is to get some rotors going on for us. So we need a splitter and some rods for that. Get a splitter here. And we need to bring up some rods as well. And put a storage behind it here as well for the moment. Here we go, connect this. So we have rotors and advanced circuits. For smart plating, we need to combine the rotors and the reinforced iron plates to make smart plating. So we need to put one in the back. Put another assembler in the back here. Let them feed in. and make smart platings here. And we put a temporary storage on the back. Oh, our power grid went down. That's not good. Let's make some boxes for us so we can empty out our inventory. So we can get more wood and leaves for biomass to get our energy running. And we have something new here, some sulfur.
Unknown chemical element collected. This non-metallic and multivalent element seems to be present only in a solid state and exhibits a most pungent smell. It is fortunate fix-it helmets are of such high quality. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
Okay, we have something to discover. Got a hug protecting and power slug. Don't mind if I do. We got something new here, rock quartz.
Unknown crystalline mineral collected. This mineral is composed of the same chemical elements as quartz and may yield similar industrial functions. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
So our next goal is to unlock the research station, so we can figure out what we can do with that. What is this? We have found something. What is this flower thing? I can't damage. Oh, this is not good. Something is attacking me. We got something new here. What are you? You are a new species. Here we go, we got it down. Spitter remains. Interesting. And we got something
Samples of
here.
unknown alien species acquired. Their weaponized plasma is most likely stored as a stable chemical substance in an organ close to their mouth, and only turns volatile when exposed to one of the chemical elements in the air. Research the remains in the MAM to establish classification and potential countermeasures.
We also got a Mercer sphere here. Let's collect this.
The astrobiologist Dr. D.M. Mercer was the first to recognize the presence and probable nature of these alien artifacts. These chain-melted state spheres are named in his honor. Each sphere emits a unique signal. Research it in the MAM to establish locally appropriate classification and application.
Okay, we have to research quite a bit. And we got something new over here. What is this? Bauxite. Hopefully we have the forest now more than enough wood to last us a bit. Let's see what we need to get the research going. Yeah, we need just 5 plates, 15 cables and 45 wires. Let's turn back on our grid again. Let's get our MAM down and start researching. Analysis of Hawk research complete. Please choose a new node in a tree to begin a new analysis.
The remains researched belong to an organism now dubbed the fluffy-tailed hog. It has many characteristics that would likely classify it among the Suidae family were it native to Earth. Hog remains can now be made into alien protein, and additional research may reveal options for improving pioneer safety during exploration.
Let's go with Mercer sphere analysis.
Mercer sphere analysis completed. Established local planetary signature of massage 2, AB, B, in the local Mercer sphere signals, allowing them to be tracked by the object scanner. Mercer spheres can also transmit data between specific.
Witness our scripture, witness our windows. Have you come to defile our shrine? Sing us on.
Arguing the existence of intelligent alien life. While Fixit has figured out the method, all of the original data is still untranslatable.
Interesting. The aliens want that we sing a song to them and meet the altar.
This fruit, dubbed the beryl nut after its distinctive color, is compatible with the human digestive system and has been added to the object scanner. Further research is available. This fruit, dubbed the paleberry due to its tendency to stay light in color even when ripe, is compatible with the human digestive system and has been added to the object scanner. Further research is available.
Let's see what the power slug unravels for us.
This semi-slug, now dubbed power slug, is early in its life cycle and has retained only part of its potential energy storage capacity, giving it its blue color. Power slugs are capable of extracting latent energy from their surroundings, including through a form of photosynthesis, and preserve it in their porous semi-crystalline shell over their lifetime. This explains why they rarely move after having found a suitable location.
Let's get some quartz going.
The crystalline mineral was a previously unknown variation of quartz, with uniquely large and flawless crystals, normally only found in synthetic quartz. The industrial application of this mineral will follow that of its synthetic counterpart, specifically in communication and exploration technologies.
And last but not least, some sulfur.
This unknown chemical element was in reality an unusual mixture of solid sulfide and sulfate materials from which sulfur can be extracted. Sulfur's primary use lies in fertilizers, which we have no use for. Instead, this element enables access to more volatile obstacle clearing and pioneer defending tools.
Okay, that's all there is. Let's start with placing down the space elevator, so we get this out of the way. We need way more resources, so we're going to focus on making the space elevator. Just need way more wire. We should have the rest, but this should be enough for the moment, so see you around.